Sure. My name is Renjith Ramachandran. I work as a senior process consultant with UST. Well, the today's session emphasized a lot on the leadership paradigm, prioritizing serving others, and building a more supportive environment. We had very much engaging discussions, practical exercises, and even analysis of real-world case studies. We went into the core principles of servant leadership. I was actually impressed by how seamlessly it integrated into UST's core values, humility, humanity, and integrity. So they go very well hand in hand, and that's one of my key takeaways from the training. Um, well, the workshop actually challenged us to rethink, traditional leadership approach by encouraging active listening, deep empathy, and a commitment to the growth and well-being of team members. I would say I had a self-reflection exercise mostly, and helped really well in creating an action plan that will help me move forward in this journey as a as a leader as well as a human being, right? So I think it's an excellent endeavor that you have taken on. Since completing the program, I have already noticed some significant positive changes in my style and my team interactions. I feel a bit more equipped to nurture a sense of community within my team, within the organization, and contributing to UST's vision of transforming lives, which again starts from within. So I'd say the journey has not only enhanced myself as a leader, but also as a person to grow more in terms that way. So yeah, that's my take on it, and I wholeheartedly recommend the SLA, so Servant Leadership Program, to anyone that's seeking to elevate your skills, making a meaningful impact to the society that you live in. It's more than a workshop.
Hi, this is Madana Kumar, and I'm glad that you chose to view this video. If you would like to be part of this journey, which is transformative both at a personal level and at a professional level, do get in touch with us at Leadyne. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.